Draw with me for this digital sketch. Let's finalize it. Let's draw this little kitty and some flowers. And we add all the lines. I'm using a fussy line art brush that I made myself to kind of like get that nice texture and just filling in all the shapes. I use a very messy sketch because I hate like having a detailed sketch. And then I set the line art to reference so I can fill in the colors on a different layer. And then I just click to fill in the colors using the color drop tool. And yeah, I love these red flowers. They're so cute. I added the texture on top at the end and then did the chromatic aberration effect that I usually do. And then it is done. I'm very happy with it. Yay!